Hello friends, good evening. My name is Lalita and today we are going to discuss about today's editorial page. And today's topic is lapsing into contempt. Means they had given that finding Prashant Bhushan guilty of contempt reflects a low threshold of criticism. So they had found that Prashant Bhushan he was feeling guilty for the contempt of the reflex that which show low threshold on the for the criticism. The Supreme Court's order finding Advocate Prashant Bhushan guilty of contempt of court reflects poorly on the institution's tolerance of criticism. So, the Supreme Court's order finding advocate means the Supreme Court is finding that the advocate Prashant Bhushan was feeling guilty of the contempt that of the court, which reflected towards the poor on the institution's tolerance of the criticism. The judgment of the three-judge bench on the sumo to contempt proceedings against Mr. Bhushan hardly adds to the dignity and majesty of the court that it ostensibly set out to uphold. So here, the judgment of a three-judge bench. So the judgment of the three-judge bench had said that that had attempted on the sumo to contempt, means on that concept they had proceeded against they were fighting against the Mr. Bhushan. He gives adds to the dignity and majesty of the court that it was substantially sets out uphold. It is unfortunate that two tweets and not any set of scandalous and or scurrilous allegations have auctionized this heavy-handed treatment. So here if you observe, it's unfortunate that two tweets here on the two tweets they had said that not on any set of scandalous and scurrilous. Scurrilous means we already know that scandalous scurrilous means that actually that thing was not happened, but it's a rumor. There some people spread the rumors, right? But even the even he did a mistake, because of the rumors he would get the bad name. So in a simple way, losing his respect without doing any mistake is called as careless. Allegations have auctionized his heavy-handed treatment, so that allegations had took it over the over the and means they handed the treatment, they took the responsibility. In the 108-page opinion, the largely draws upon past judgments delineating the circumstances in which the court will act in aid of institutional reputation and authority. There is little more perfunctory analysis leading to the finding that the tweets amount to criminal contempt. So here in the page 108, according to that opinion, they had said that there was largely draws upon. So here in the page 108, their opinion was said about largely they draws upon the past judgments, means the judgments which were set in the past, means those constitutions delineating the circumstances in which the court will act at the aid of institutional reputation and authority. There will be a little more than perfectancy analysis leading to the finding than the tweets amount to criminal contempt. So the criminal contempt means some cases would be happen. So most of the people they try to protect themselves, but actually that was not a good way. That means the people who did the wrong, they try to protect themselves by giving some by doing some some wrong things. They try to win their they try to win in the court. So this was saying that was a very wrong way. The first tweet, in which an image of Chief Justice of India, S.A. Bode, in an informal setting has been used to make a critical remark that he was denying citizens recourse to justice for fundamental rights violations, may be an exaggerated or even unwarranted view on the absence of physical hearings now. So, the first tweet means there are two tweets. First we were talking about the first tweet. It says about the image of the Chief Justice, means how the Chief Justice would happen. like in what way it need to be happen of the India essay body in an informal setting has been. Informal means not in a formal, not in a respectable manner, but like not in the public, something like doing some doing some wrong things. His name is S.A. Bode. Like he did an like in an informal way to make a critical remark that he was denying citizens recourse to justice for the fundamental violations. They are trying to cross the fundamental violations. Like violations means like which was happening in the form of war actually. Maybe an exaggerated or even unwarranted view on the absence of physical hearings now. Like the physical hearings means like they show physically, not by the words. Like that, in that type, the judgment is given nowadays. Enough. However, it is quite a stretch to say that it undermines the court's dignity, lowers its authority, or interferes with the administration of justice. So, however, like it is saying that it's a quite stretch to say that. Means like in one word, like we were saying that it undermines the court's dignity. Means like it undermines the court's dignity. Like I mean, court's dignity undermines means like see, looking in a very wrong way now, like in a very less way means like undermines means looking in a like oh wrong, not in a wrong way, like but the like in a very less like not giving a perfect respect what need to be given actually. So lower authority interferes to administration of justice. So the lower authorities had like they had responded to that, like there should be an administration for the justice. At the best, it touches partially on the CGI's personal conduct and partially on his administrative decision making. So like at the finally like it touches the like on the CGI's means it's the personal conduct which was conducted, like it was conducted by the CJS, and that was partially like administrative decision making means the administrative like in that form the decision was taken actually. Neither part brings with an expectational malice or scurrility warranting action for criminal contempt. So neither part brings means the next part like that brings that like it's an expectational malice or scurrility. Scurrility means we all know that like for example scurrility like we already know that scurrility means like looking like rumors, like in the form of rumors. He didn't just a mistake, but we are trying to like make a mistake on him, like that. Like they are trying to warrant an action on the criminal contempt. It is precisely this sort of criticism that the judiciary ought to be able to shrug off. Means like if we observe it's precisely like there is a sort means there is a trouble over the criticism that the judiciary ought to be able to shrug off. To the second tweet, coming to the second tweet, what we have discussed now is the first tweet, and neither means not that like either the first tweet which we had discussed or the second tweet. Now we are going to discuss about the second tweet, in which Mr. Bhushan has blamed the court, more particularly the last 4 sieges, for the destruction of the democracy in the last 6 years, even without a formal emergency, requires no defense. So the second tweet says that like like Mr. Bhushan, he had blamed the court more particularly on the like more particularly on like in the last 6 years, like this 2020 in last 2014, like because of the like there is no like even without a formal emergency required like there is a destruction of the democracy. For this he had fighted against the court. So like there is a like he is saying that there is no formal emergency. Even how could we do that? It is the clearly in a nature of politic opinion, be it with a reference to working of institution or the 4 personages who headed the judiciary during the period. So here if we observe like the nature of political opinion, like the politician's opinion is that like like according to the nature means the politician's opinion according to their nature, like it's saying that the like within the reference of the working of the institution or 4 personages who headed the judiciary during the period. Means the 4 judiciary they had headed, the means they had took the higher position in the judiciary in a particular period of time. And next one is, it is difficult to agree that a mere voicing of an opinion that successive CJs have destroyed democracy would undermine public trust in the judiciary. So like it said that it's difficult to agree, means it is not easy to agree this statement, but like, so the successive CJs had said that they had destroyed the democracy that would undermine public trust in the judiciary. Means the like it is undermining, means it's taking a less respect towards the public, like the pub. So like especially towards the backdrop, means the like the balance one also, like the some former judges to holding the sharply critical opinion on the conduct of some of them. So like the like even the old ministry or judiciary, they are trying to be responsible over this, because this one was a big case. Like in its nature, intent and sweep, Mr. Bhushan's abrasive enigmatization of judicial conduct is no more discordant than a former CGI being accused by his colleagues of being under executive influence or misusing the power of the master of the roster with a view of obtaining favorable outcomes. So like they are saying that the Mr. Bhushan, he was abrasive, he was a judicial conductor, no more discontent, he don't wanted to support CGI because he had turned towards the CGI for seats, because no formal emergency like that. And there is some inadvertent irony. The courts claimed the allowing Mr. Bhushan's remarks to go unpunished would lower the country's image, the Committee of the Nations. So yeah, they are saying that the irony of the court's claim, the court had claimed that Mr. Bhushan's remarks to go unpunished, means they are not going to punish Mr. Bhushan because because he came from the lower of the country and in the age of Committee of the Nations. The highest court built its stalwart fame of the stellar judgments on record and fearless independence. It at all in falls the estimation of the world now. So that it falls in the estimation of the world now, and it may only because of the growing perception of the judicial evasion, self-imposed reticence, and the quiet acquiescence in the face of executive power. So this is today's editorial page. Thank you.